Well, we move to Miss Tandri. Miss Tandri, the
Yes.
same question. I'm curious to know you actually.
Yes.
What kind of what type of person are you, and what is your uniqueness?
Uh, Actually, I don't really know what one of my uniqueness of myself, because if I tell something sort someone someone say that it's unique. For example, I said to my friends, because when I sleep in some place, I cannot sleep
Well,
cannot sleep all day or sleep well.
sleep.
And then my friend said that, oh, you are unique, but I said to myself, I think it's all people do that. I mean, all people
Feel the same,
yeah, feel the same yeah,
the same things.
there's something when I cannot sleep in the some place. Yeah.
You're not
Uh,
you're not the only one.
Yeah, I mean, all of the people do that. I mean that. Yeah, and yeah, is it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So beside that, I know um it is maybe very, how to say, it's hard to
Yeah.
assess ourselves.
Yeah.
Maybe the assessment sometimes comes from other person.
Mm-mm.
They know us, our best friend. But what do you think your strength that another people or your friends didn't
Uh,
and that can be your, how to say, something that can develop yourself.
uh, it's just I think when I look something, it's like video motivation. I just, oh my god, it's make me on fire again, and I must do that. I must do the best like this. When I watch some video motivation like this, and I I wanna, because I I think myself is like a perfectionist. Yeah, and
Perfectionist.
yeah, I don't know, but I think it's just like that, and I wanna do the best for myself, but even though it's always faults, but I just want to do the best. Even though I always learn about from my mistake. Yeah,
Okay.
that's all, Kak.
Okay, it's a must. Yeah. Learn from the mistake.
Yeah, learn from
Okay.
mistake.
Well, we move to Mr. Isan. As a police officer, I know the, how to say, every people looking at you as your profession. Maybe the citizens sometimes very honoring you with your
Okay.
profession, but behind that,
Yeah.
okay, what kind of person Mr. Isan is?
Okay. Um, as we know that everyone has a weakness and strength, and I guess that I'm unique when I can cover my weakness
Weakness.
with my strength, and yeah, I always carried out that way when I do my job. So actually, I'm an introvert. I'm difficult to adapt with other people.
But
Therefore, I decided to join this community
BPEC.
to uh, to challenge my own self,
yeah.
That you're
to be able
different.
to adapt with other people and break my weakness,
To be more
to be
extrovert,
more
yeah.
extrovert.
Oh, you are the extrovert one.
Yeah.
Okay, and your uniqueness beside that,
Yeah.
except that you have mentioned before.
I can work with the team,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't know. Sometimes I usually get the tips or some ideas
Mm-hmm.
for advantages of our team.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Okay, okay.
I can work under pressure.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
more under pressure. Because as a policeman,
Yeah.
I think every day you are under pressure. Okay, especially when you face the crime. Yeah.
Okay.
Is it your section?
Mm.
Sorry.
Is it your job, or are you in the section
Division.
to
Oh,
your
division.
division?
Okay, okay. I would like to explain a little bit with our
Yeah.
division.
Mm-hmm.
Our at Marine Police Division of South Sulawesi Regional Police,
Mm-hmm.
that we have territory along the waters and the sea in South Sulawesi's waters.
Mm-hmm. And
Yeah.
your division?
And yeah, we handle several crime,
Oh.
such as illegal logging,
Mhm.
illegal fishing, illegal mining, and so on.
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, and that's so much cases happen
Yes.
in South Sulawesi, right? Okay. Next time maybe
Yeah.
we gonna discuss about it, yeah.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
our topic in this conversation. But guys, that's you have explained yourself before, about you before, your uniqueness, your strength, your weakness. But now I want to know, do you have a unique person in your life, or maybe unique friends that ever be in your life and you never forget that person? Miss Dewi,
Uh,
maybe in the past you have a unique friend that always making something crazy.
I have a lot of actually, of friends, but once again, because I'm a typical of ambivert person, so I didn't put my friends is a main list for my future until right now. But if I have to explain who is the unique person that I still I have to facing every day, that is my doctor, because my two doctors are very different. While I'm so amazing because like I can see the reflect of myself from them. Jasmine, because Jasmine is the oldest, the old daughter, and Irish is the second daughter, and they are Irish is younger 4 years old, 4 years than her sister. But then I can define myself that every time I'm making like a trouble, no, I mean my daughter is making trouble, like, that's you, Dewi. I mean, like,
You find yourself
yeah, I find
in your
myself
daughter.
there, yeah, from them. Yeah, that's why I don't have to explain from my friends, yeah, because I can see my unique things explained by my doctor. Like I suppose that Jasmine is more because she's older and she knows like how to handle herself, and like without I have to tell her that you should be like this, blah blah blah, in A B C D you have to do this every day. But then sometimes when I don't expect what she do, what her action, that not like what I want, that okay, I'm sorry for that. I have to apologize to Jasmine just because that I realized that that's me. Then also because she's a calm person, but she's different than me about her calmness. She find it, she get it from her father. But to Iris, I get the barbar action from me. Yeah.
yeah,
So
yeah.
it's like completely
The super energetic
Yeah, the
one.
super energetic. The way she wants to know everything, or she asked me, Bunda like this, Bunda like this. No, I want to sing the song with you. I want to do this with you. I want to dancing with you. You have to show me blah blah blah. Yeah, the way.
Okay,
The way.
but what is the craziest things that your daughter did?
The craziest things ever around
That
me.
maybe, oh my god, I can't handle it, and you mad, and you mad to her or them.
One time around 2 years ago, they were playing, and I just finished up cooking in the kitchen, and they run and catch Jasmine and Irish. Then suddenly the oil on the how to say,
On the
like
table?
yeah, on the fry pan,
Storage?
yeah.
Oh yeah.
And lucky, after I cook, maybe it took around 10 minutes. The oil, full of oil there, and it was around a little bit hot.
And it fell down.
Yeah, fell down, and Irish running like a cat, and the oil
Oh my god.
pouring to her body. But then she was okay. At the time, I got shocked, like, I'm so like I have to control myself. Then they didn't feel the atmosphere, that they were surprised also, just trying to, Bunda, I'm sorry. They didn't feel the atmosphere,
body.
that the weight, but the only words that
They didn't
comes
feel
out,
pain,
no.
and
No.
just how to say, apologize to
Yeah,
you,
but the
saying sorry
my
to
mind,
you.
my mind was out of, like, is she okay? I didn't think about her mistake, their mistake. I'm just like, I was crying because she's okay. The oil was a little bit hot, and much of oil there, I don't know how. I couldn't explain myself, but that was the most unforgettable moment. I finally got it from my own daughter, that I have to face it almost every day, with the different situation and different case, different accident. While I'm sometimes like surprising myself that I have daughter, not a son, but then I feel that I have a son actually. I don't need a son, because my daughter
It's like a sign.
is like a son.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
sometimes accidents also can be the lesson,
Yeah.
to learn, and from the accident we learn to be more careful,
And how do you react it?
and how do we have to react
Yeah.
and take action from the accident, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll continue the conversation after the break.